if I were a student right now, something that's super underrated, I feel, in today's job market and not nearly enough people leverage is just your personal portfolio site. So I'm not just referring to like a site that basically is your resume, right? Well, it is that, but it should be so much more than that. So what I mean by that is, say you're a BI analyst, right? That means probably, hopefully, you have made, a Power BI projects in the past, right? Now you have that in your resume. That's great and all, but what is the dashboard? Like, can I see the dashboard? Is it like two random bar charts that you threw together in 10 minutes? Or is it actually something that you took, 2 weeks to make? And it's so simple to just make a portfolio website using one of these, so many of these, like vibe coding tools, right? Lovable, Bolt are both a tool that I've personally used. Cursor is also pretty good, but that's more for more development stuff, which we don't even have to get into, because both Lovable and Bolt one shot this with like just one prompt and your resume, and they just make your like entire portfolio site, which you can then put on your LinkedIn. You can have SEO towards it so that if somebody searches for that position or that project, that thing comes up on very top, and obviously it backlinks to your LinkedIn, right? Super easy to make, literally takes 10 seconds. I have a few videos on this exact subject if somebody wants to check that out. Easiest thing ever to do, literally takes 10 minutes and free. There's literally no cost involved. All of it, even the hosting, is completely free. So I would do that. Separately, if you are actually prepping for interviews, again, you can either use Claude or ChatGPT to put in the job description, put in your resume, and then have it literally interview you. So what I like to do for this is the voice mode. So I'll just put my AirPods on, go on like a nice walk, and I'll be like, okay, let's go. Let's like just interview me. So it'll start with like, it'll go down the list. It'll ask you very pinpointed questions because you gave it the job description. It's not like random generic questions that nobody will ask you. And in the end, you can have it critique your exact responses, because when you speak, they get transcribed, right? So not only does it do that, but it'll also generate for you the right version of what you should have said, which then you can practice with, you can record and do all of the things that we talked about. So right off the bat, those two would be probably the most simplest things that anybody that, they could use. Now, aside from that, this is where things get a little bit more, I don't know, maybe niche would probably be the right word.